In today's video, I show you guys NFS Carbon Ultimiter removes game limits and let you add more mods for a smoother extended experience. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to files and check the manual download option and check this download option and check slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this mod link. Check the download option and you just need to wait for 10 seconds and this one got downloads up. After the 10 seconds, select the download now option. After the download, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And you just need to navigate to the game folder. Just right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop this NFS Carbon Windows 10 fix. Just drag and drop this exe file and select the replace the file in the destination and select continue. Then just go back and open this NFS Carbon Ultimator. Just drag and drop these two files inside your game folder and replace the file in the destination and select do this and select continue. Now you can launch the game. NFS Carbon Ultimator removes internal game limits and allowing more cores and mods without crashes. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.